Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to move image anywhere on Google Docs. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Docs. Now to insert image, first of all, I'll click on this insert and go to this image. From here, I'll go with this search the web. Now I'll search image over here. I'll search for mountains and hit enter. Now you can find here are multiple beautiful mountains. I'll click on this and now click on this insert. You can see this image is inserted over here. Now I'll resize a bit and now you can see it's looking better. First of all, you can see if I click and drag, I'm not able to move this image. Now to move this image, first of all click on this image and over here you'll find this multiple options. Go with this in front of the text. Now we can easily move this image like this. You can see I am moving this image. Just click and drag. But you can see I am not able to move this image above this margin. Now to move this above this margins, first of all click on this image. Now over here you can see move with text. Click on this drop down and over here choose this second option, fix position on page. Click on this and now we can easily move this anywhere on our Google Docs. In this way we can move image anywhere on Google Docs. So if this solved your problem, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.